Hey fellow science lovers, Dr. Rob here. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to click the button below so you can stay up to date on content just like this. Today we'll be doing an unboxing for a package that I received from a company called GIANTmicrobes. So yes, we are going very molecular, very quick. And GIANTmicrobes is a really cool company that also uses science communication, but in a completely different way, by using these plush animals that are able to then educate individuals on what a particular pathogen might be, what a particular organ might be, or even just other parts of molecular biology. So let's see what we got in our box today. Here's our package today. Let's see what we got. This is pretty cool. The first thing that we got is coronavirus, or COVID-19. This is super cool, super cute, and oh, this is awesome. It even has this like information card on it that gives information about the actual pathogen that you just received, or microbe. So, for example, this talks about COVID-19 stands for coronavirus and disease. Corona is for the crown-like protein spikes. The virus itself is named SARS-CoV-2. Coronavirus are zootonic, jumping from animals to humans. Yeah, so not only are these just super cute little plush, but also the fact that they provide information is a great way to show that science communication can go well beyond just doing videos or graphics. You can do this in so many different ways, Plush being one of them. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so to combat SARS-CoV-2, we have COVID-19 vaccine. Let's see what this is. Okay, so you know that this is probably definitely going to be one of my favorite ones based off that viral video that I made way back in 2020. So this also has a cool little information card on it talking about the vaccines, giving some specific facts just about vaccines themselves. Vaccines are one of the greatest medical advances of all times. Vaccination programs have saved millions of lives. So not only are you getting this little plush that you can say, look, I got my COVID-19 vaccine, but you're also getting some facts that you can give individuals about the vaccine itself. So super cool, definitely probably my favorite in this box, even though I haven't gone through everything yet. So let's see if this little one can get beat. So sticking on the immunology train, we also have the antibody, or also known as immunoglobulin. So you can see that it's also already attached to this protein of interest right here. So that's super cool. It's really cute. Like, it has like some little eyes right there. And another cool fact about these little tags that it gets is it actually shows an image on here and showing that this is 1,000,000 times the actual size. So it's even giving you a reference point of just how small, just how molecular we're getting with these different GIANTmicrobes. So those are all part of the vaccine series that were in this box, but we have a couple others, and now that COVID-19 vaccine plush might get beat out because we just found DNA. This is super cool, super cute. It even has the little eyes up at the top of these two double strands, and it's also giving more information about DNA. And if you remember from one of my really early videos, I was talking about the different base pairs of DNA. So you have A, C, T, and G. And this fact sheet actually talks about those exact base pairs. And you can find them here holding together these two strands. So this one is also super cool. But I'm so sorry, DNA. You know that my heart falls with RNA. And that is the last little plush that I have in this box. This is a single strand RNA molecule. Again, comes with that fact sheet talking all about RNA, and again saying how RNA swaps out T for U for those base pairs. And again, really cute, it has this little face at the top, and these are the little base pairs corresponding to different colors. So RNA, you have definitely won, saved the best for last in this box. So all of these different plush are able to provide a real life picture on what some of these super microscopic molecules or microbes actually look like. So you're able to put your hands on it and get your mind thinking about what these things look like when they're actually under the microscope or in cell culture. So these microbes are just a small batch of what GIANTmicrobes has to offer, as they also provided this collect them all sheet. And what you can see on this sheet is that there are a lot of different microbes to get. So you can scroll through their catalog, pick out all different types of viruses, different types of bacteria, different types of organs, and even different types of organisms that could be studied in the lab in order for you to have your own giant microbe. So make sure you go check out their website. I'm gonna put the link to that website down below, as well as a special coupon code that you can use for the next few weeks to get a discount on your purchase. So make sure to check out Giant Microbes, subscribe to my channel below for more information about science and also about science communication. Thanks everyone, bye.